Zera Colburn. He was a great mathematician. So I would like to say few things about him based on this concept. So just from 1804 to 1839, very few years, hardly 35 years, he was done some more important things based on the multiplications and calculations also. They call him as a human calculator also. So at the age of 6 years, at the age of 6 years for him, then he was perfect with the multiplications till 1 to 100. So not only like 1 to 10 or 1 to 20, with the 1 to 100 at the age of 6 only was very perfect. So that time. So I am not saying in complete information, just a few things which are related to our topic. So you would factor the any largest number to want to multiply. Is concept is making the number into the parts, simplest parts. Okay, what was done? One example, if I will see, for example, normal multiplications will take directly the big number. Okay, for example, if you want to multiply the number to 1, okay, 21,734, to multiply this 543. So, but what we'll do, we'll start with 3, next followed by 4, next 5. So, you must use the pen and paper, then only we can do. So, but is doing the method is, we'll generally take the small number and making the parts like a factorization. So, we'll make into the parts. That means from this 543, we can make into factors. So that is in 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 3 is 12. So it's in 3 table. So this is 181 into 3, right? So instead of directly multiplying with 543 this number, we'll make into the product of the prime numbers 181 into 3, this number. So first we'll multiply directly 181 with this number 21,734. Then we can follow by the number. So that is, then we can multiply with this another number. So first 181. Indirectly, instead of this 181 into 3. First you will multiply with 181. So that you got the answer 39333854. One same individual you can split and do this concept also. 181 no? 100 plus 80 plus 1. So same concept you can do this answer. For this again you start with multiplication with 3 because 3 is there again. So next what we should be compulsory this number with only single digit directly from starting with even take. So 11 801562. Okay. This is the concept you followed to make the number any number multiplication by making into the factors or parts. Then you started multiplying. Okay, and when studying even the college some plus grade. So at the age of 12, 13 in between, they were conducting some competition in the school. So there was asked one question. For example, the question is 4294967297. So he was perfect with all the concept of the numbers. The question is, they said, is a prime number. Is it a prime number or not? Is the question. So by observing this number, directly confirm. So you know it cannot. It will be divided by 641. So this is not a prime number. So reason also you must say. So it can be divided by 641. So this number 641 is a factor for this. So it's not a prime number. So such a huge type of problems. So many things are there. But according to our topic, I would like to say only one thing is for any multiplication concept, you make into the parts like factoring. Factoring make into the small numbers, then you can start multiplication or multiplication process will be easy. We can do without mistakes. That's the main thing I would like to say in this. Okay, this only 2 digit and 3 digit multiplications we checked. Now next chapters we'll do the number of multiplications with more than 3 digit. So those also will continue in the following chapters.